How to install Visual Studio Code on Windows PC and laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows PC and laptop. So then to begin with, open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in visualstudio.microsoft.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. Now this is the official website where you can actually download the Visual Studio. In order to download it, you need to tap on the download button or the tab right on top. After that, it's going to show you multiple categories. Now we are looking for a free download, so you need to go ahead and select community and underneath tap on free download. If you do not do anything, you can see that it's being downloaded. So you'll have to wait for a second. Once it's downloaded, locate the folder where it's actually downloaded and run the installation. So now you can see here it is. So double tap on it and after that it's gonna install it. So you'll have to wait for some time in order to install this application. So tap on the yes button. Now go ahead and tap on the continue button. So wait for it to install it. Now you'll need to select a bunch of this. So go ahead and select what you actually need, just on it. And once you've done that, click on install, which is right at the bottom, and you'll have to wait for some time once again in order to install it. After it's done completely installed, you'll be taken to its official web page, and there you'll be asked whether you want to sign in or sign up. You can also skip that process and get into your work. So that's basically how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows PC and laptop. That is all for this video. The video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.